I love a good shot of espresso. Here at Boot Coffee Campus, we teach the SCA Barista Skills curriculum. And at the intermediate level, this is where professional baristas can really advance their career. It's an opportunity to learn not just about dialing in espresso for flavor, but to go one step further and think about consistency. Think about workflow at the bar. Think about how you can efficiently and successfully prepare a multitude of drinks for your customers and move through that line quickly. In addition to that, we cover basic equipment maintenance, preventative maintenance, in-depth cleaning, and the other tools that are required to run a professional cafe and to work as a professional barista. Are you ready to take your barista career to the next level to become a certified SCA barista? Come see us at Boot Coffee Campus, bootcoffee.com.